How to make background color white. So this can be really exactly one of things that we have to start to realize on our progress. First of all, guys, we have to start to understand that it should be really important to deal with what we're gonna say, because it is really to be something that we have to start to add it on our progression. So we have to add a layer beneath all other layers. So we have, for example, to add layer here, layer pen 3, and we scroll down right here and put it down. Okay, so like this, which is going to be the last layer. It should be really predicted. Now use fill tool, which is really the layer with white. Okay, now we start to choose the small selector, color, docker, and then we started to find white color. Then we see that we can have white color in any ways when you scroll left side with this. Then start to fill it with white like this. You can start to change size whenever you want and start to make it white, as you can see. So this can make sure that background is white.